If I'm
Negative 5.
if I'm asking about a variable, so a variable is b, right? If I'm asking about the variable, so the variable is what? Is
B.
what? Is b. And yesterday I said, remember, W, huh? What the second letter was?
A, C.
A,
A, C.
and then C. Huh? Let me revise with you. What is the meaning for each word? Who will help me to say? Huh? Yes, word.
W is donated for work, and
Yes.
A is donated for answer, and C is donated for check.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Who can else say the answer, say the meaning for the three words? Who can say them again? Who can say them again? Please say. W for what?
Work.
For
Work.
work, right? Second, A for
Answer.
answer.
Answer. Answer.
Second for answer.
C
Hannah,
for check.
Hannah Naqib,
Check.
you are raising your hand. Huh? The second one for what, ya Hannah?
Answer.
Answer, yes. And the third one for
Check. Check.
check.
Check.
Is this important to make a check after we finish the question? It's important.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because
To
by
check if the
checking
answer is correct or not.
it makes us know if it's correct or not.
If it's correct or not. Yes, thank you so much. Okay. Then, um, the question is negative 3 plus b minus 7. And I said we want to know the variable. So where is the variable in this question? Where is the variable in this question again?
B.
B. So the variable, you are going to say the English letter which you have it in the question. Okay?
W-A-C.
So this one was W, A, and then C. Okay. I'm going to write the question here. Who can tell me the question? We are working in which page?
195.
195, and the question is negative 3
Negative 3 plus
plus
B7 equal negative 5.
negative 3 plus, you
B7
entered many times, b over 7 equal
equal
negative
5.
5.
Negative
So
5.
we decided that the variable is b. What is the opposite? So, sorry, what is the first step we have to do it here? What is the first step?
I will make negative 3 plus 5. Negative 5.
It will be, we will add positive 3 to both sides, which is the additive operation. So this one, it will be plus 3. And the opposite side, it will be plus 3. Okay, Dahrug. Dahrug, tell me the answer, please. It will be what? Dahrug,
Yes, miss.
tell me the answer, please. ها ايه يا حبيبي؟
Negative 2.
What? Which one? Negative 2. You will add now negative 3 plus 3, right? Then negative 3 plus 3, it will be equal 0. Now we have b over 7. And the opposite side, we have how many, ya Yusuf? Negative
0.
5 plus 3. It will be equal how many? Negative 2. Okay, then b over 7 equal negative 2. Now, b over 7 equal negative 2. What is the opposite operation which we have to make it? When you have b over 7, what we have to do to find the value of the variable? Huh?
We will
b
multiply.
over 7. We will multiply by how many? Multiply
Multiply by 7.
by 7, exactly. So we will multiply by 7 to find the answer. Yes. So the answer by the end, b, it will be equal how many?
B equal 14. Negative 14.
Negative 14. Yes. b equal negative 14. Then we work with the equation and we solve the equation or answer the equation. What is the last step we have to do now?
Check.
Check. So we want to check the answer. How you will check the answer, grade 7? How we will check the answer?
-3 plus -14 divided by 7.
Amazing, ya Muhammad. Really, really, I appreciate your work. Thank you. -3 plus P is how many? B is
-4.
-14 over 7 equal. The opposite side we have -2, but we want to answer a left-hand side. -14, according to the order of operation, we will start with division first and then addition, which means I'm going to keep -3 the same, and then -14 minus, -14 divided by, it was equal -5. This one equal -5. -5 in the right side. -14 divided by 7 equal how many, grade 2, grade 7? -14 divided by 7, it will be equal how many?
2.
-2.
-2. Yes, so it will be equal -2. And we still have in the right side, still have -5. Then by the end, the left side we have -5, and the right side we have also -5. Right? Then first we have -3 plus b over 7 equal -5. We have to add the additive inverse of -3 to both sides. Then we found that b over 7 equal -2. We said that always we are going to check or to look for the opposite operation. B over 7 means division. Then you are going to use the opposite operation, which is multiplication. Then we will multiply both sides by 7, and then we found the answer. Next the question, and it will be ranks. Answer the question and send it to me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, then you have a time to be from the top 5 in the class. Are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Huh? Where is the rest of the class? Ready? We want to solve.
Yes.
Okay, we want to solve question number 13. Question number 13. Answer it and send it to me in our WhatsApp group. -3 times n plus 5. -3 times n plus 5 equal 12. I'm waiting for your answer. Multiply or plus -3, and then you have a parentheses. This means that you will multiply or you will add 3 and then a parentheses. That means what, Johanna? That means what?
Multiply 3.
Multiply 3. Then I said yesterday that we have 2 different ways to solve this question. Okay? So we can solve this question by 2 different ways. Let me explain both, and then you will choose which one you prefer to answer. Number 1, we have 3 and then the parentheses, right? Then I have -3 and then the parentheses n plus 5 equal 12, right? Look at the number before the parentheses. It's -3. And look at the value in your right hand. It's 12. 12 can divisible by -3 or not, grade 7?
No.
12 divided by -3, it will give us decimal?
Yes.
It will be how many? Huh? By -3. I will divide both by -3 from the first step. I will divide both by -3. Then -3 divided by 3. Then the next answer, it will be what? N plus 5 equal 12 divided by -3 equal how many? -4. Then we will add the additive inverse for both, which is -5, and the opposite side I'm going to add negative 5. Agree with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Then n equal negative 9. So this was the first step. We are going to check the number before the parentheses. 12 can divisible by negative 3. Then we will say 12 divided by negative 3, then n plus 5 equal negative 4. Then we will add the additive inverse for both, so the answer by the end, n equal negative 5. What is the last step we have to do it? We can do what?
Check it.
Check our answer. So it's negative 3, and then open the parentheses. It's negative 9 plus what? Plus 5, right? And the right side, it's a 12. Negative 3 times negative 9 plus 5, according to the order of operation, we have to deal with the parentheses first. Then negative 9 plus 5, it will be equal how many, grade 7? Negative 9 plus 5 equal how many?
14.
No, negative 9 plus 5. Negative 9 plus 5. It will be how many?
Negative 14.
No, negative 9 plus 5. It will be equal negative 4. We will subtract, guys. We will subtract, right? Negative 9 plus 5. Okay? Then negative 3 times negative 4, it will be equal 12. And already we have the right side equal 12, which means our answer was correct to find the value of n. The value of n was how many? We found it how many?
Negative 9.
Equal negative 9. Okay, so this was the first method. What about the second method? Is there anyone can tell me how we can solve this one by another way? The question was negative 3 and then a parentheses n plus 5 equal 12. Who can tell me another way to answer this question?
We're gonna put the negative 3 inside the brackets.
Thank you, which means you are going to distribute negative 3 over the parentheses, right? This is what you mean?
Yes.
Yes. Then we are going to distribute negative 3 over the parentheses, so it will be negative 3n. And then what is the next number, grade 7?
A plus 5 equal 12.
No, we will distribute, ya Muhammad, which means we will multiply negative 3 times n one time, negative 3 times n, and then the second, it will be negative 3 times 5, right? So it will be negative 3 times n and negative 3 times 5. So the answer, it will
Negative
be
15.
So the answer, it will be equal negative 15. Then it's negative 3 times n. It will be negative 3n. Negative 3 times 5, it will be negative 15. And this is equal 12. What is the next step? What is the next step, grade 7?
Minus or plus.
Minus or plus. We have negative 3n minus 15. Then we will add, how many? We will add how many, grade 7? It's negative 3n minus 15. So what is the additive inverse for negative 15? It will be what?
15.
Positive 15.
Positive 15. So we have 15. We will add 15 to the right side and we will add 15 to the left side. Then the answer, it will be negative 3n. We will add negative 15 plus positive 15. We will cancel them together. So we have the other side. We have how many? We have 27. What is the next step? If you have negative 3n equal 27. So what's the next step?
Minus.
negative 3n equal 27, and we are looking for the value of n. So what is the next step?
Divide.
Divide by how many?
Divide 3, negative 3 by 27.
Thank you, ya Muhammad. Divide by negative 3. Then the answer, it will be n equal negative
Negative 9.
9. Yes, and then we can check our answer like the last time. Check our answer. Then it will be 12 and 12. So this is how we can solve the question by using distributing method, or you can answer by dividing both sides by the coefficient before the answer. 7 and then a parentheses, c minus 12 equal negative 21. So the operation between 7 and the parentheses is multiplication, right? So we can say that we will divide both sides by how many? By 7. Okay, so we will divide both sides by 7. So we have c minus 12 equal negative 21 divided by how many? Divided by 7. So we have c equal, sorry, we can say c minus 12 equal negative 21 divided by 7 equal how many? Equal negative 3.
3.
Then we have c. We can transfer negative 12 to the opposite side with different sign. Then c equal negative 3 plus 12, which means the answer, it will be c equal how many? Then c equal 9. Okay, any questions so far? Any question?
No.
Okay, Tala, you wrote to me that c equal 15. So c is not equal 15. c equal 9. c equal 9. And if you want to check your answer, so we can make check. Then the check, it will be 7. And then 9 minus 12 in the left side, and the right side we have negative 21. Then 9 minus 12 first, the parentheses first, then it will be negative 3 times 7 equal negative 21 for the right side, and negative 21 for the left side and the right side. Now we will move to the next question, which is Hassan, where is the variables in the question? Yeah, Hassan, you didn't mention any variable. You made the first step correct, negative 21 divided by 7, correct. Then 12 minus, you forgot only the variable. I couldn't see the variable, ya Hassan. I couldn't see the variable. You wrote 12 minus 3, correct, equal 9, then C equal 9. Thank you, ya Hassan. Adam? Yes, correct, ya Adam. Thank you, Adam. Thank you. Okay. We will move now to question number 18. Question number 18. In question number 18, if there anyone can tell me what is the equation which we have to make it here? The word double means what? The word double or
2 times.
twice. Double or twice.
It's like time.
We will multiply by how many?
Lax.
We will multiply. Sorry?
2.
Double. Oh, you, right?
Multiply 2.
Yes, we will multiply by what? We will multiply by 2. So if you have the first number is x, then double means that it will be what? 2x multiply by 2. Then if it's x and you want to make twice the number, then it will be equal to x. Then Back to the question here in question number 16. Could you please anyone read the question? After making a deposit, who will answer will read the question first? After making, you have the book in front of you, right?
Yes.
Yes, please read the question. What is the total amount of in bank account in this question? The total amount was how many?
264.
Yes, 264. And she notes that if she add 26 to the amount originally in the account and double the sum, she would get the new amount, how much she originally have in her account. Then we have to put a variable for this question, like x. So x, it will be represent what? X donated for what? The
Value.
original amount, because we don't know the original amount. Okay, then she notes that if she's going to add 26 to the original and double the sum, then we will put 2 and then open a parenthesis, x plus 26. So the answer, it will be 264. Okay, then she notes that if she add to the original amount 26 and then double the sum. For this reason, we have to put the numbers in a parenthesis, double twice the sum. So the sum, you will keep it in a parenthesis and then put 2 before it because they said double the sum. Then it will be normal equation, x plus 26 equal 264 divided by how many, grade 7? Divided by how many? Divided by 2. Then x